When do you figure the last time it ran?
Probably 3 years ago.
You got a pair of just little pliers.
Needle nose?
Doesn't have to be needle nose, but
I got it all, baby.
I'm gonna say this is the first problem. So I pulled this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say that's your first problem.
Yeah. It's not gonna last long.
So let's run it that way first. Sometimes it's just a quick, easy fix. Switch to the reserve and fight the other tube, right? In the tank. So now hopefully we got fuel. Ready? How are
Yes.
let's check. Crack your drain. I'm getting fuel out of my drain line.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I'm also checking for is the color. Because you know what color the gas should be in the tank, right? So now, hopefully, see how it's clearing a little bit? It was super
Yeah,
yellow.
yeah.
We're letting some of that just drain through and clean some of the bowls, the carbs, the floats. Had oil, looked good, and it, with the kick, it felt like there was good compression feeling. And obviously, like you said, if it hasn't been doing anything, it's not like anything just goes bad. Looks good. A little rich, maybe,
Dark, yeah. Dark
but
black.
I don't see any deposits down
Right.
in, right?
Mhm.
So I don't see any like major problems. And this isn't fouling by any means. I don't see any buildup on the electrodes. I think we're all right.
I think it's too small for that bike. Too big for that bike.
I'm just the right size for this bike. No, I'm not. I heard you, and I'm not too small.
You're gonna be riding that bike soon.
Yeah.
Resetting idle and mixture screws, finding a baseline,
This
and
isn't
just
right.
roughly
Somebody
see where they
ripped you
are.
off.
It's called the
Sometimes in a no start, especially if it's been running for a little bit, if you bump that idle up a little bit, sometimes it'll help it clear itself.
That we bought and we still have.
Round two.
I don't know. I feel like I will.
Oh. It's the other way. flip-flop garage.
Neutral is all the way up, and then down is 1, down is 2. It's like a 4-speed tranny, I think.